5 quick tips to set up your social media marketing. Setting up social media marketing can seem like a huge task. There are many elements that you need to consider, but setting up your social media marketing is setting your business up for success or failure. This presentation will guide you through some quick tips to setting up your social media marketing and starting your brand on its journey to success. First, you need to set goals. Think about what you would like to achieve ultimately. You can then narrow it down to smaller targets, but you should definitely outline big and small goals. A timeline could be an effective visual roadmap for where you want your brand to go and how your marketing can achieve this. You should come up with some initial numbers that you would like to reach and some steps that you can take to reach them. Preferably, you should create goals or targets with deadlines and actionable steps. Secondly, you need to define your target audience. You'll need to understand who exactly your target audience is in order to reach them effectively. First and foremost, you need to know which social media platforms that they use. Then your content can be strategically placed in places where they will see it. You also need to understand them demographically: age, location, income, values, beliefs, etc. Third, research. You need to understand your industry and competition. Determine trends and hashtags that you can take advantage of. Look into your competition and see how they are succeeded and how they are failing. Fourthly, check your analytics. If you have already begun to post, check your analytics and see the reach of your posts, who they're reaching, and does it align with your target audience, and whether they are receiving engagement. You'll need to periodically check your analytics and see if they align with your goal numbers. Are they on track? Or if not, how can you fix this? Finally, stay up to date. The biggest tip that can be given when you start or continue your social media marketing strategy is to make sure that you're staying up to date with the industry. Schedule time periodically to create new content. Check your analytics. Refer back to your goals and check in with your competition. Do not get left behind. Make sure you're staying at the top of your field and that your audience continues to remain engaged with your content. To briefly summarize, you'll be able to get the most out of your social media marketing by continuing to remain aware of it. Do not neglect it. Like a houseplant, your content should not be overwatered or neglected. It should be studied, repositioned, fertilized, and revitalized if you begin to watch it wither.